Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what kind of information you can get from I need help option on Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to your Snapchat. After that, click on your profile. After that, click on the settings, scroll down, and in the support section here is the I need help. Click on that, and you will have the popular topics like using Snapchat, Snapstreaks, my account is hacked, staying safe, privacy, and so on and so forth. And if you click on that, like using Snapchat, here you will have all the explanation you need for the app. So you can check this out if you have any doubts or question regarding using this app, like about the privacy. So I think that all this information, if you are new on this app, it's really helpful. So yeah, check that out, and I hope that you will find helpful information for you. Bye bye.